guys, so today I'm going to be doing a little, I guess you would call it an unboxing, but it's just from Amazon. I got some A5 size planner supplies from Amazon, as well as an A5 size binder planner, right? That's what they're called. So I think I'm really excited. I haven't opened these yet. I've been waiting for everything to get here so I can record this video. I did cut them open just so that it'll be easier for this, but I think we should get started. I'm going to show you what's in the packages, and then I'll zoom you in for a bit of a closer angle so that you can actually see me setting it up. Start with the binder. I'm so excited. So here it is. And I will link everything down in the description. I've used many planners. I've had the Erin Condren. I have a bullet journal right now that I just make all the layouts by myself. And I was thinking, because I have so many different things all in one bullet journal, that it would be nice, and that's why I chose the binder solution. It would be nice to have everything in one place but separated, and so that I can move pages around without having to rip them out, because a bullet journal is so much more permanent, right? I can't really move pages around in it. But with this, I can put different sections of all the stuff I want to have in here. So for example, just my regular, weekly layouts. But with that, I also want to be able to have like a spot for my fitness and a spot for my short-term goals that I'm working on, because I do have getting a car, so I have a lot of information that needs to be put in there, and I want to be able to keep them separate. But this is so cute. I love the light purple color. Purple's not usually my thing, but I figured why the heck not. It has a little pen loop. It has a big pocket on the left side on the back, 2 large pockets on the front, as well as 2 small card pockets. And then in the binder, they sent a little zip pocket, which I'll definitely use. I like to keep my go-tos in there. It came with a little ruler, which is perfect. It has a today label at the top, so it'll stick out. And then it does come with either a dashboard or one of those back protectors. I'm not sure. I think I was gonna make my own dashboard. And then it also just comes with 2 sheets of emoji stickers. So with that, I also got the 6-hole punch, because it is an A6 size. I plan on putting my own papers in there. Does that make sense? So I have tons of papers, and you'll see, so I can make my own dashboards, things like that. It'll be nice to be able to put anything in there that doesn't come pre-punched for the A5 size. And then also I think, it can work for a mini size, pocket, A5, A6, agenda, personal, and desk fax. There's little slides. I'm sure you've seen this on other hole punches, but there's slides and you can adjust them to the size that you want. Last but not least is I got this set of A5 paper. I want to be able to get started right away. I don't want to be like, oh, my printer is not working, so I have to wait until tomorrow to do this. None of that. So it has 2 pieces of craft paper on each side. I'm definitely going to keep that because craft paper is super cute. I can use this for a fall layout or even a spring layout. Any layout. Craft paper is very versatile. So it comes with 100 sheets and it's dotted. I can do bullet journal layouts on it. I do like making my own spreads, but I do still use the stickers and stuff that I have from Etsy and all over the place. I have tons of stickers. Let me know if you want to see a craft room office organization video. There's a lot of stuff in there, and I try to keep it as organized as possible and kind of tucked away so that we could also be our guest room. And then I got just a pack of regular paper. It's already cut down to A5 size. So this I want to use with my printer. So there's 250 sheets, and I just have these to carry me over until I buy one of those guillotine paper cutters. But until I get one, I can always just trace and cut. So it's not a big deal. But I just got these because it just makes it a little easier from the jump, you know, so that I can be like, yay, let's do stuff. So let's do stuff. Ow. Jesus. Let's do stuff. So I've got everything here that I think I will need to set up this planner. I did go through a bunch of my papers and my stickers and a bunch of stuff yesterday in the last week or so, kind of pulling things out that I think would work in this. I want this planner to be functional and I want it to be really cute. Let's just move everything we got today to the side and I can kind of show you what we're working with. I've got some glue tape and an ooh-hoo stick. So I have these washi tapes that I think will add a cute gold touch because I am a gold person, not a silver person. I do want to use a Y, which is the first letter of my first name from these. I think these are from the dollar store, actually, the poster letters. I got this out of a magazine. It's a bunch of gemstones. I think this would be cute to maybe add onto a dashboard. I've got my tea. I'm going to turn on some TLC because I love trash television. So here I'm just punching out the holes of the pocket and I put that as well as some blank paper and the bookmark in the binder itself. Here I take the divider that comes with the blank paper and I use this throughout the setup as a template for any other papers I decide to pull in. I'm lining it up with a paper that I want to use and then I just cut off the excess and hole punch it. The hole punch did leave a little bit of residue. I just wiped that off. I'm sure it was just from using it for the first time. Here I realized that the holes don't line up and then I try very hard to find a way to blame it on the hole punch, but I think it was just human error. I then take the Y sticker from the dollar store and put it on the plastic dashboard because that's going to be the very first thing you see in my planner. I'm taking this journaling card from Once More with Love and I put it down just temporarily with some tape so that I can use it again and then redeem my beans at some point. I put some washi tape down on two corners because I just think that gives it a cute look, and then I put both of those pages back into the planner. I pick a Kiki's Delivery Service sticker from Amazon to use, and then I put a little bit of tape on the back of it again just so it's temporary, but I think it looks so cute framed with the florals. The back of the dashboard, I didn't really like it, so I decided to add this gemstone paper onto it, and I think that was kind of cute. And then I'm cutting out the It's Good to Be Queen paper. Down to one of those A5 blank pages, and I repeat this process multiple times when making these. And I just pop it into the planner. Here I take another piece of paper. I like one side of it, but the other side I want to make this cute peach print. I take a couple tabs from this set from Sticker Guru and I kind of make tabs out of them. I take two and put them back to back. Then I got this as a freebie. It's a little bow vinyl transfer. Once again, everything will be linked down below. I'm not writing on it, don't worry. I wasn't just scribbling. It's just nice to be able to get all the bubbles out and everything before peeling up the other piece of plastic. Here I'm just pointing out that I used a couple more tabs on my other dashboards. I'm all done for now. So essentially I used what I had because this is my first time, so I didn't want to do what we all always do where I overbuy. I'd rather get it set up and then be like, okay, what is it missing, so that I'm not wasting a bunch of money. I know during Corona, you know, especially with the stimulus check, which is supposed to stimulate the economy, you're supposed to be buying stuff, but I think that doesn't mean we should become frivolous with our purchases. Do you know what I mean? Like, I still want to be very conscious of what I am buying. So that's why I did only buy the bare necessities, because I have so much in my craft room. It just kind of seems like, let's use what we have. So that being said, it is so cute. I do love it. I do know that there are certain things I do want to buy for it. The first one is I would love to get some personalized die cuts. I do want to get some clips. I know there are dividers, and I do also want to buy dividers as well, but I like clips because I think they're cute when they peek out, but also I think it's nice kind of to be able to visually see where one section stops and another one begins. But I do want dividers as well. I do like my dashboard. I think for right now, it's pretty thin. Boop. But that's just because I don't really have anything in there besides the bones, right? I don't have any layouts. So what I think I'm gonna do is start with a full August in this binder planner, and I'll do an entire monthly spread. Let me know what you would like to see in that monthly spread. I do have my 4 or 5 sections, I guess, that I'm focusing on. Is my basic planning, my personal finances. There will be one section focusing on fitness and diet. It'll be a fitness diet section. And not that we're on a diet, we are just eating healthier. I'm counting calories and I'm making sure not to overeat. It will also contain like my go-to recipes, because I did see a great spread where somebody wrote their go-to recipes in just a little list, almost like a Dutch door in their planner, but they took see-through sticky notes. You know those see-through ones that are arrows, and you put them like where something needs to be signed or something that's highlighted. So you essentially put those so you can reuse them on what meals you're going to cook that week. So yeah, fitness, diet, finances, and then my normal like weekly planner. And then the last 2 are YouTube. I kept these last 2 very simple just because my YouTube spreads are going to look a little crazy. I have so many ideas that it's going to be just a lot of sticky note situations, but I just love this font. And this, I'll link this too. This was at Target and it was such a cute pack. I think it was $5, but I think it's just so nice. And then the last one is my goals. So things I'm working towards in the now. And then down the road, I will make like a full list of life goals. I need to be able to look at things at a glance and having it all in one place, but separated is going to be a lifesaver for me. I really enjoyed this. I think I'm going to go do some shopping, probably on Etsy. Please let me know if you know of any stores that have printed, so not printables because I have a crappy planner, so printed A5 journal accessories. We're talking clips, stickers, dividers, die cuts, the little dangly gem things, all of the above. Let me know what your favorite store is. Once again, everything is linked down in the bottom. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.